Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do almost complete look using FITGLOW Beauty. I'm just reaching for my palette there. So I'm going to use this palette, I'm going to use concealer, I'm going to use blush, bronzer, highlighter, lips. There's just a couple things, foundation I'm not going to use from them because we'll talk about it in the video, but that is what we're going to do today. Before we get started, I share makeup, skincare, sometimes fashion for us mature ladies. If that's something that interests you, would love to have you join us here. It's positive, encouraging. We help each other out in the comment section. Please consider clicking that button below and hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. So let's get into the video. We're going to start out with a concealer. Now, one thing I don't have is I do not have a FITGLOW Beauty foundation, but I kind of want to use up the foundations I have right now. I don't know where I'm at with my foundations. I don't know if I want to keep using a foundation. You know, I'm kind of getting out of it, but I want to try this brush today too. So this is from FITGLOW Beauty as well. And I ordered, here's the thing. I ordered some things from Skinbeautiful RX. I have a link below for that. I have a code, and also from Freeze Beauty. I have a link below and a code. So some things I ordered from one and not the other. And I think it was because I know one of them I had to, the highlighter wasn't available. A couple of these things were sent to me from Skinbeautiful RX. I'll tell you as I'm going along, okay? This I paid for. Anything I paid for, I'm going to tell you. Anything that was sent to me, I'm going to tell you. But I kind of got a taste of it because I was sent product from Skinbeautiful RX that kind of enticed me. So I'm like, okay, I want to try more. So I'm going to go in with this. This is the Peach Corrector. And I did a video on this recently, but I want to use this brush. So remember I used that other brush? Well, first, this is what I'm going to do, which I normally don't do. Remember I used it on the brush. I gotta be really careful with this stuff. So we'll see how this goes. But I didn't bring it all the way down there either, which I normally do. And the reason is this stuff, you don't want to use a lot. It really covers good. And I feel like if you put too much of this on, I feel like it is going to, it just doesn't dry down and it settles on me. But look at already how that covers. And like I said, I just did a video on color correcting. I'm going to put some of it under here too. But I don't just apply it there because, you know what I'm saying? So let me do the other eye really quick using the same thing. And then we'll go in with the concealer. This stuff is going to last you because you don't have to use a lot. I see so many people slap that concealer on. I know I've said it before, but it's like, holy cow, man, calm down. You know, I mean, that's just a lot. You don't need to have that much product. I'm going to take this concealer, and I'll put the details below in the color. Otherwise, I have to stop and get my glasses on because, you know, I can't see. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just putting it right in that area only. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I want to try this brush today. So I want to wipe it off and I'm going to take it and I'm just going to blend it. This is a nice little brush. So I was just curious to see what this was going to be like. I like that you can blend it with one end. And if I need to, I'm going to swing it over to the other side. Just want to tap it out. Then I want to take my brush here and I just want to go like that. I don't want to use this for the powder. I have a different brush I want to use for the powder. Look how nice that is. I mean, I feel like it covers really, really well, you guys. I'm really impressed because I'm really picky about concealers. So many times I get concealers and it's like I hate them, you know? This is a really nice one. Oh, this is a nice brush. It blends really, really nicely. I like that. So I'm just using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder. I'm using my BK Beauty brush, and I'll let you know what it is in a second. Brush number 108. I don't have a foundation from this brand, so I'm just going to go in. I'm going to use my Water Fresh tint today from Chanel. And that's what I've been using. So now I'm going to go in with the bronze and the blush. These were sent to me by Skinbeautiful RX. And I'm going to use my Refer brush, which was sent to me from Refer. And this is the brush number 4. Love these brushes. They have a concept store. I will leave it below. The nicest people. They want to know your honest opinion. How original is that? You know what I mean? So I'm going to go right here. And just kind of, I apply it there and then I kind of buff it. Because this is actually a contour brush, but I don't want to contour. But do you see how that kind of warmed up my face already on that side? Isn't that pretty? Now the one thing I don't like about this, the little containers are really cute, great for packing. But I like to put mine on with a brush. You could probably take your finger and dip it in there and do that, but I've been doing this, but eventually it's probably going to be a pain to get out as it gets to the bottom. So that's the negative thing I don't like about these, but I'm liking the product, I have to tell you. Now these are clean. This is Clean Beauty. I believe it's vegan, cruelty free, all of that. And I'm just going to be honest with you, I'm not just going to get into Clean Beauty. So, okay, I mean, if that's all you use, that's great for you. I use what I want to use. So I'm not going to limit myself to just using this or that. That's just me. That's my preference. Please don't hate on me. But I use what I want to use. I don't want to get tied into just using something because it's clean. But if you're into that, that's great. So we're going to go in with the Pop blush. This is so pretty. And you guys know how much I love my Daniel Sandler. You know I love my Daniel Sandler, okay? I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to pop that on there. Look at how pretty that is. I've been wearing this lately and I love it. Because it's so pretty and so subtle, you know? I really, really love it. It just looks like my skin to me. That's the kind of makeup that I've been going towards probably last year. Is anything that looks like skin, I love. Now, I'm going to try this. I haven't tried this yet. And this one I don't think I have a brush for, so I'm just going to use my fingers on this. So this is the highlighter. It probably is called Highlight. What is it called? Oh, it's called LUMI Firm. Now this one I purchased from Freeze Beauty because again, Skinbeautiful RX did not have it. So both of these shops are great. They both have similar products, but they're both great. I have codes for both of them. They're both affiliates. You guys know I'm always upfront and honest with you guys. But if you want to save some money. So I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to put this right up there. Oh, that's pretty. See that? I'm going to do a tiny bit more. That is really pretty. You know what I like about that? It doesn't look glittery. It's very, very pretty. It just gives you a nice glow. And that's what I want. That is really pretty, you guys. I mean, it looks natural. I always say natural because I think whenever you put makeup on, it's never natural. But you know what I mean? That is really, really pretty. I'm excited. I got this palette. This I purchased from Skinbeautiful RX. Yeah, Skinbeautiful RX. I kind of forget because like I said, I've been ordering stuff back and forth. I will tell you, both shops, you get your stuff really quickly. This is the FITGLOW Beauty, and I think this is the day that I ordered. I didn't know which one to get. Is this the one, the day? Yes, this is the day palette. So it comes like this. You have the little mirror here, and then you have these colors. I did not know which one to get, but I felt like the other one had more shimmers in it, and I'm like, I think I'd rather get this because I have some other palettes that have shimmers that I can mix it if I want to. So I'm going to try to use as many of these as possible, and that's the blush color. And I already have blush on, so I don't think I'm going to use that today. I hope that's okay. Maybe I'll swatch it on my arm if you want to see it, you know. I wish I could ask you guys, what do you guys want to do? Do you want me to do it? If you were here, you could tell me. Let's go in with this color right here. And I'm using my Refer brush number 16, and I love that they have the numbers big. I love that. So if you're like me and you're blind without your readers, you can see. I'm just going to start up here. These brushes are so good. Now, when they first sent me the first set, I liked them, but this is like, this style is more my jam. I like a big brush like that. You know, everybody's different. I'm gonna go on to the side too. Pretty color. And seems to pick up well, and it's blending out beautifully. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use this color here. Now, normally I wouldn't use all these colors. I don't think you have to use all these, but I'm just doing it just so we can see the colors, you know? Just gonna blend it there. Yeah, I love this brush. I really love this brush. This is a nice one. So it's natural hair. It's from Japan, handmade. And because it's natural, you don't have to use as much shadow. So you have to kind of be careful, you know. Otherwise you'll pick up too much. I am going to go in and I'm going to use my Refer brush number 12. Oh my God, I love how big the numbers are. They all need to do this. Make the numbers bigger for us because we can't all see, right, ladies? We can't all see. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to take the darkest shadow right here. And I'm going to go right here on the corner. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. This was a pricey palette. I believe it's $70. I used a discount code, so I got 20% off. I think it was worth the 20% off. I don't think it's worth paying full price for. That's just my opinion. It's really, you know, the colors are really nice and everything, but I'm just, you know, I don't think it's worth paying more than that. I mean, beautiful. You can see the colors are beautiful and pigmented and all of that, but I don't think it's worth $70. 20% off, yes. Because I feel like you've got all these colors here. You've got that blush that you can bring with you too. So if you did travel, which eventually we will be traveling again, so that's really nice. I like palettes like this because, I mean, this would be great if you're somebody that doesn't do makeup that much and you're just kind of like, I just want something all in a palette so I can just do my makeup and go. That's a nice one. And I think you can turn a day look into evening, you know? You can go darker. I mean, this isn't that light of a look for daytime, to be honest. So you can always very easily go even darker for an evening look. I've been going between my BK Beauty brushes and my Refer brushes. I am enjoying both of them. This color right here. Oh. Wow, that is, oh wow. I don't think I want to use the other color. Wow, that's really pretty. That's really pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. Wow, that is such a pretty color. I've been doing this lately is I kind of lightly smoke out my eye. And I don't line my waterline, okay? So what I do is I take this pencil and I'll go right in here, right at my lash line. I gotta stretch my eye a little bit too. I mean, I'm like on my lashes there, okay? Then, maybe I'll use the BK Beauty brush. So I'm just gonna go right in here, really lightly, because I don't want to bring it all on my eye. I want to keep it down here as much as possible, okay? And then I'm gonna scrub it lightly into my lashes. It kind of gives it like a smoked out look too. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to probably be doing some other looks too that are just one brand looks that I have, you know. I have some other makeup that I have all from one brand, and Charlotte's one of those. I can't remember now if Freeze Beauty sent this to me. I think Freeze Beauty might have sent this to me. And this is in the color Kind. This color works for me. I'm going to go in with my Pillow Talk. Yeah. Yes, I am going to use this. And line my lips. Well, this is going to look scary, right? It looks like holy cow, but it won't. Look. It's like once you put it on, it doesn't look as bright as what you think. So These are very calm colors. Like, I feel like it's just a really pretty coral color. Hopefully my camera isn't going crazy. This shirt is from the Flower and Garden from Epcot before it closed. And on camera, it is the ugliest orange. It looks nothing like that. I'm going to break it down and tell you what I think of everything. I love this palette. Is it worth $70? No, honey. It's not worth $70. So use my coupon code. If you decide to get it, use the coupon code. It's definitely worth that. So this is how pretty, look how pretty the colors are. Beautiful colors. It's nice that it's travel friendly. I love that. I like that it has a mirror in it, but it's kind of small for me, and Mama needs to use her magnifying mirror. You know how that is. I love the colors in here, you guys. I mean, these are me. So if these are your colors, if you're like me and you love really simple, neutral colors, this is your jam. The concealer, you guys know how I feel about this. I love it. I think it does an amazing job covering up and concealing my under eyes. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna bump this up. I'm gonna say that right now this is my number one. I know, but you're still gonna see me use the other one on camera too, because I have it to use and I still like it. So that's the thing I want you to remember. If you see me using different things on camera, don't think that all of a sudden I don't like something. No, girl, I like it. I still like my Lancome. I still have my Chanel that I'm using up. I like that one. This is better than the Chanel though. The color corrector, definitely better than that. So this brush is fabulous. I really like this brush. This is really, really a nice one. Again, I paid for that myself. I paid for the concealers myself. I paid for the palette myself. The blush and the bronzer was sent to me. Love these. Love these, and that's what made me want to try more. Definitely recommend those. Love the highlighter because it's so subtle and really, really nice. Yeah, I like that it's just a really subtle highlighter, but it's not like in your face. You know what I mean? Really pretty. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Really hope that you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you all in my next video. Bye. Before we get started, what is wrong with me today? I swear I have not been drinking. Okay. Okay. Should I do it? What do you think? Let's do it. I'll just use my finger though. Let's use my finger and do it. Maybe no. Let's not do the finger. Let's just do the finger. Okay. Let's do this, which I'm gonna have to wipe off really good. I'll use this one. And just do, I don't know, is that too intense? Ooh, girl. I got like it right there. Yeah, maybe Mama should have left it alone. Oh my God, I look like I have like this white, look at, yeah, that didn't work. Oh, Annie girl, come on now, we gotta fix this. Oh great, now I have like, what the gosh? And let's just fix. Are you kidding me? Before we get started,